Awesome, I'm back with my friends from high school who have agreed to help demo the Zoom feature. We got a special guest that's a little different from the last video. Justin Doshi is joining us, and I won't tell, any his stories are even worse.
And
So
wait,
we'll just keep going.
Pause. I'm supposed to be doing something here? Peppa Pig on the big screen.
And we got Peppa Pig. All right, so the purpose of this video is for me to go ahead and demonstrate the breakout room feature via Zoom. So right now, as you can see, it's on Justin because the, recorder is picking up Justin's mic the most. But let's say I wanted to see everyone at the same time. This is where I can go back and forth between the speaker view and just kind of like whoever's talking or whoever the focus is on view. So I tend to like to leave it on the speaker view. But now let's say I want to go ahead and put folks into small groups. What I can do is use the breakout room feature. So for some of you, if you go to the bottom of the tab, there will be a breakout room kind of like button. And some of you, it will be under more. So if I click more, I will go ahead and put folks into 2 different rooms. So see how I click breakout rooms? I can now go ahead and assign folks into different breakout rooms. So I'm putting Dave and Ryan into one, and then Justin into Scott in another. And I'm going to go ahead and open those breakout rooms right now and then ask them to join those, okay? So I'm opening up those rooms, and if you all can join those breakout rooms and hang out there for a second, I'll come say hi to you in just a sec.
Shit, I lost myself. There I am.
Go ahead and join the breakout room, Justin. All right, so everyone's in their breakout rooms right now. So when they're in the breakout rooms, it's just you and I. It's just kind of lonely, here by myself. But now, let's say I want to check in to see what they're doing. I can go ahead and jump into those breakout rooms. So hey, if you guys can join your breakout room again.
How do I do that?
Oh, here at the bottom, join breakout room.
And kind of stay there. So see, they just came back to the big room. So they can do that, they can come back. But let me go visit everyone. So I'll go visit Justin and Scott real fast.
It's a little bit of a wreck right now.
So
I got
right
all my
now
new
I'm
toys
visiting
yesterday.
Scott and Justin's breakout room, and they're kind of doing their own thing, and we'll leave them here and say goodbye. And now if I want to go ahead and join David and Ryan's breakout group, I can go ahead and join that right here.
See grass.
So I'm now in David and John's breakout room. I'm sorry, David and Ryan's breakout room. So I'm going to go ahead and leave them in the breakout room. So now I'm by myself, and they're all in their breakout rooms doing their own thing right now, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and end all this. So I'm going to go ahead and click out breakout rooms there at the bottom, down on the ribbon. And I'm just going to close all the breakout rooms. Now mine is giving them 15 seconds to come on back, and it gives them a message to say, come on back. But let's say they don't, it will force them all back into the same room. So here we all are together, back together as one kind of community of Zoom with my friends from high school. And that's that. So we just demonstrated how to use breakout rooms. So again, what you do is you just click the breakout rooms. Now let's say I want to go ahead and recreate these. I can recreate it and it will do it. Or if I want to put folks into a different room, I can move Ryan to 1, and then I can move David down to, 2. And that's some of the ways that you can do that.